So it's the same parts you saw earlier, the two tumblers and the gears. And so you would hook up a mule to this, and then the mule would walk in circles, and then you feed the cane through the tumblers, and it squeezes the juice out. And then there's the spout on the side. Watch out, there's a duck. And the spout over here, this is where the juice is harvested. And then you have your kettle going over here. So you build a nice fire down there. Build a nice fire down there. And you get that going so it's nice coals. And then that kettle would be cleaned because it rusts, you know, over the year, and then you scrub it and burn it to get the rust off of it. And that's where you boil the syrup. Everybody stays up all night and eats a lot of food and plays games, and yeah, it's really fun.